Hello everyone, welcome to my channel NCERT Mathematics Learning Hub. In this video, I am going to discuss with you how to find the area of the quadrilateral when they have given the four vertices of the quadrilateral. In our previous video, I have discussed how to find the area of the triangle by using the coordinate formula, right? So you can visit those videos and watch that also if you want to understand how to find the area of the triangle. So in here we will be finding how to find the area of the quadrilateral. Okay. Here we will understand how to find the area of the quadrilateral if they have given the vertices. This is the fourth question of exercise 7.3 of the chapter coordinate geometry from NCERT mathematics textbook. Okay, so what is a quadrilateral? Any figure which is made by joining the four lines, then it is called as quadrilateral. What are the examples of quadrilateral? Square, trapezium, rhombus, parallelogram, rectangle. All these are the examples of quadrilateral. So we need to find the area of this triangle, area of this quadrilateral, right? So what I have done, I have just taken this one rectangle. So what I did, I have just divided this figure into two. And after dividing, I am getting two triangles. So simply you can apply the formula to find the area of the triangle. Find the area of this triangle and find the area of this triangle, and you can simply add it. Take any figure of your own, rhombus, trapezium or whatever, but just divide that figure into two parts, and then you will be always having the triangle. So you can use the area of the triangle formula and find it. Okay. So because I was about to use the same concept of area of the triangle formula, so only I have just did all this. Okay, so if I am talking about this triangle A, B and D, so let me just draw that. So here it is A, it has the coordinate -4, 2, -2, right? Then you have B here -3, -5. Then you have D here, which has the coordinate 2, 3. X1, Y1, let it be X2, Y2. Let this be X3, Y3. Right? So I have discussed the formula for finding the area of the triangle in our previous videos, and I have also discussed the trick to remember the formula. So you can please visit that video and watch that. So now let me just write the formula directly. Area of which triangle we are finding out? We are finding out the area of this triangle A, B and D. So let me use that. A, B and D. Right? So what is the formula? Half into x1 y2 minus y3 plus x2 y3 minus y1 plus x3 y1 minus y2. Okay, so this is the formula to find the area of the triangle. So if I am talking about this triangle A, B and D, so let us just substitute all of these values here. So what is x1 you have? You have 4, -4, right? Then x2, y2 value, it is -5, minus y3 you can observe it is only 3, so let me just write that, plus x2 is here, that is -3. So I have just written that in bracket because it was negative. Two signs cannot be together like without the bracket, otherwise you will have a confusion. So y3 is what? It is 3 minus y1 how much do you have? You have -2. So again you are having two signs together, so you have written that in bracket. So x3 value you can observe here, it is 2 into y1 how much do you have? You can observe here y1 is nothing but -2 you have here, right? Then minus y2 how much do you have? You can observe -5 it is, right? So what are you going to have then in the next step? Half will be as it is, minus 4, minus and minus, so you will be adding that and you will be writing the bigger number sign, that is negative. Then you have plus into minus, minus 3 you will write as it is. 3 minus into minus, it will become plus, right? So 3 plus 2, it is nothing but 5 plus 2. Then you can observe here minus 2 is there, and in between plus, minus into minus, it will become plus. So it is nothing but you have minus 2 and plus 5. What are you going to have then? One is negative, one is positive, means you will be subtracting it and then you will be writing the bigger number sign. So nothing is there means plus, right? So you got this answer. Now minus into minus plus, 8 4s are 32, minus 15 plus 6. So here in the next step, we need to just simplify 32 minus 15. So how much will you be getting here? 17. And 17 plus 6, how much you will be having then? It is nothing but 23. Right? So 23 into 1 is nothing but 23 divided by 2 square unit. So this is the area of which triangle? Triangle ABD. In the same way, you need to find the area of triangle for this one, B, C and D. Okay, so let me just draw a small triangle here. So B is here. What are the coordinates of B? It is minus 3, minus 5. Right? Then D is having the coordinate 2, 3 and C is having the coordinate 3, minus 2. Okay, so let this be x1, y1. Let this be x2, y2. This one, let it be x3, y3. So again, I'm not going to write the formula here. You can, I'll just take it from here and write the simplification part. There is no A, it is B, C and D. Triangle B, C and D. Right? So 1 by 2 into x1. x1 how much you have? You have minus 3. Then y2. y2 how much you have here? You can observe y2 is minus 2, right? Minus y3. y3 you can observe, you can come here and check, it is normal, only 3. So x2 value in this triangle you have 3 into y3. y3 how much do you have? It is again 3 minus y1. y1 it is minus 5, right? So let me just write that in bracket plus x3. x3 you can observe it is 2 into y1. y1 it is minus 5 minus y2. y2 you can observe here is again minus 2. So you will write that in bracket. Minus 3 minus 5, because both are negative, so you have added and written the bigger number sign. Then 3 plus 5, it is nothing but 8 plus 2 into minus 5 and plus 2. So how much you are going to have there? Minus into minus is plus, right? So I have written here plus 2, which is equals to minus 3. You have written the bigger number sign, right? So it is negative. So what are you going to have here? Minus 3. 1 by 2 into minus plus 15 plus 8 3s are 24 minus 6. Right, so you'll just add the first two values. So 15 plus 24 you will do, and then you will be subtracting it with 6. And then how much you are going to get? It is 39 minus 6. Right? So 1 by 2 into 39 minus 6 is nothing but 33. So 33 into 1 is 33 by 2. Here also square units. Right? So what they have asked you, actually find the area of the quadrilateral, they have said. So you have founded the area of this triangle, then you have founded the area of this triangle. So a quadrilateral is formed by joining these two figures, right? So what are you going to get then? How will you find the area? By adding this triangle and this triangle. So area of quadrilateral. So this is quadrilateral, I have just written the short form. Quadrilateral is equals to area of ABD plus area of BCD, right? So what is the area here? You can observe 23 by 2 plus 33 by 2, right? So denominators are same, so I'll just add it without taking the LCM, because the LCM will also be same, right? 2. So 23 plus 33 you need to do. So 3 plus 3 is 6. 3 plus 2 is 5. So 56 by 2 is the area of the quadrilateral. Okay. So this is how you will solve the problem, by dividing the figure into two parts, and then you can utilize that, because you know the area of the triangle formula if the vertices are given to you. So you want to utilize that. So because of that you have divided the figure into two parts. So that's it for now. In the next video I am going to discuss very important thing. I want you people to have a look at the questions that you can have in your board exam paper. So the concept will be same, but the problems will be different, right? So because of that, I will just take up some questions from the last year's question papers, and I am going to solve from this chapter, coordinate geometry. What can you have in your question paper? And please don't forget to like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon.